TSN advantage for fast cycle times. The TSN technology itself allows for amazing possibilities and are now being used since 2020. But explaining in a simple way how TSN helps your production machine. Imagine a highway, we have the right lane, it is for trucks and slow-moving vehicles, sometimes also Dutch camper vans. The middle lane is used for rather normal speed, somebody who's just a relaxed driver. And the left lane, well, that's where you find drivers with a pedal to the metal mentality. And the experienced Autobahn driver now says, well, there are some other rules that I'm forgetting. But let's say there's just only the rules with the 3 separate lanes for 3 separate speeds. And exactly the same concept you can do with TSN, allowing different traffic to be allocated to different time slots. But how does it help in your application? Well, you can select the fastest possible cycle time for your critical process, where the quality otherwise would be affected. And the medium cycle for parts where cycle time is still important, still affecting quality. And the slow cycles for areas in your machine where faster commands don't really have a positive outcome. And compared to traditional networks, you can only have one time slot, the general network refresh time for all your connected devices. Meaning, the bigger, the more access you connect, the longer the cycle must be set in order to transfer all the data. Simply said, dividing your machine into high-quality relevant processes, quality-relevant processes, and minor quality-relevant processes, and up to 3 different time slots can be chosen. Thanks to TSN technology, of course. Contact us today and learn how the MX controller and our factory automation ecosystem can help you build the future.